the video. I'm getting the video.
These are some deer grazing.
Yes, they are.
Right?
Yeah.
In a yard that is...
I think they're white-tailed deer. I don't know.
Yeah,
There should be like a nature documentary. These deer are grazing near a fence.
These deer are grazing. In straw woods with a fence around them.
Yes.
There are 3 of them.
Yes. And they are white-tailed deer. They are brown with white tails.
And are very cute, but scared. And they are skittish, too.
Yes.
So you must never get too close to a deer. Sometimes they can high jump you.
Sometimes they can attack you and injure you.
Yes, they are white-tailed deer. Okay.
Keep watch for next time. Goodbye.